Now 2 minutes running mode. Okay.
Yeah.
This new machine should be standby because we want to make now maintenance. Okay.
Wait करो भैया.
Alkaline wash, acid wash, ISA reference, ISA module means sodium potassium chloride electrode, acid provision, detergent A. Okay. Below 50% should be changed. So now 94% no need change, 93% no need change, 71 no need. Below 50%.
Yeah.
Alkaline, acid,
Yeah.
ISA reference. Below, here is below 50 now, no need change. Okay, now okay. This go backside. Go. We go clear. This one
Yeah.
go. This one go cleaner. Every day you can change. Okay? Take it this one. Anyone you can scan. See? Now, which one you scan? Yeah. Now, say blue. Can make it this procedure. Old one throw, take it new one, then should be scanned. Otherwise, it's not showing stability. It's now 24 hours stability. Color also now all green. It's now reagent status. Press. Yeah, this one reagent string. Okay. For maintenance, we are using 3 reagents. 3 reagents we are using for maintenance. Additive, acid provision, detergent A. Okay, you can check there. Additive. See, additive. This reagent. Then detergent. There is new one. Same like. Okay.
Same like
Yeah,
this.
same. There is new one. You can load. Okay.
Here.
Yeah, just keep it inside. No need
After
scan.
scan?
No need scan. There is one. Now you can do it the remaining 4. 4 times you can do it maintenance now. Remaining 4. Okay. For example, this one 0. 0 means you can prepare new one. Should be prepared. One time you prepare, 12 time you can do it maintenance. You know, one time you can prepare, then load, you can inside only. 12 times you can do it. For example, today you do it 2 times. Now we can start maintenance. Okay? Okay. Every day will come. First check the standby machine ideal mode. After that you can go to reagent supply. Below 50% you can change all reagent. Acid provision detergent. Every day you can throw old one, then make new one. Then should be scan. Okay? Now 24 hours stability will come. After that you can go to again home. You can go to reagent status. You can check maintenance reagents. Additive. Or additive, acid provision, detergent A. Okay? Now everything available. You can start now maintenance. Go to home. Very easy procedure. Maintenance. Yeah. Number 1 this one. Number 2 this one. Now we are doing number 1. Yeah. To do. To do means pending. Daily maintenance pending. For example, weekly also pending. Here is mentioned. Weekly to do pending. So otherwise you can press here. Daily maintenance. To do means any pending showing the weekly, monthly, everything pending shows. Now to do means pending only daily maintenance. Okay. Daily, anyone. Okay, same. Okay. Daily, same daily maintenance. Pending. You can press. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, it's now blue. Then perform. Yeah. This one key off position. It's a now off. It's now off position. Don't touch this one. Just leave it. Okay, no problem. Okay. It's now coming this one. Then proceed. Yeah. See, it's now done.
It's now start.
Yeah, it's now starting maintenance. Go to home. See, maintenance starting. Go to maintenance. In process. You can press in process. Yeah, see, daily maintenance running. It's now this machine running. In process. You can press in process. Yeah, see, daily maintenance running. It's now this machine running. Okay, it's now finished. So, this one 12 minutes. For maintenance, 1-2 minutes. 12 minutes, okay? After 12 minutes, finish maintenance. Okay. Now, next one. We can do it. Hormone maintenance. Okay.
As a DNB and
Yeah. So, should be you do maintenance daily. Both mission centers. Yes. Trigger, wash buffer, RBS, RBS wasted. Trigger. See 50% should be changed. See both is empty. Yeah. See both is empty. 50% is this reserve. Okay. So you can take a trigger. Yeah. Trigger and RVS both you can take. No. First scan. See first here. Coming out. Okay. Yes. Coming out. You can scan. There is barcode.
blue light will come.
Now see confirmation. No. You can go. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
And if good this not
Okay, no problem. Plus.
Press.
Okay. Now you can add this one. Okay. There is also blue. Okay. Now see 300 plus 500, 800. Okay, just keep it. Yeah. All. Because you scan 500. Pull out. Yeah, take it out. Okay, properly close. Then empty amp, it's already empty first. Done. Now 100. Okay, finish. No, already you scanned, that's why 500 added. Okay. Next one. Reagent sample. Yeah. This one for reagent. Reagent area. Fog condition. Every day you can check fog condition. Now remaining 47%. Probe condition means probe cleaner. We have kept it there manually one as a provision. This one manually we are loaded. This one same way we are loaded inside only. So no need check. Just you can check only. There is below 20%, you can load one more. Okay?
This like same this and blue.
Yeah. So not maintenance reagent, just probe cleaner only. Purpose all probe cleaner. Okay? Every day just you can check below to so now you can start maintenance. Okay? But this machine not inside maintenance reagent. Every day we are prepared then load. Manually should be loaded for maintenance reagent. This chemistry machine already inside everything. You understand? This one every day you can prepare then load. Okay? So now you can start maintenance reagent. No, first you can prepare now maintenance reagent. Okay? I cleaner, immunoassay. So don't discard this one. Discard. Okay. First, turn off. Okay. Okay. Then you can load this one. Yeah. Anywhere you can load here, anywhere you can load. No problem.
It's right?
Yeah. Like yes. Yeah. Finish. See. And again proceed. One more proceed.
3 times.
Now it's going inside. Okay. So you can start maintenance solution.
Yeah.
Every day you can prepare maintenance
2
solution.
ml chloride.
2 ml chloride, then
And,
tap water. Okay.
Yeah.
If maintenance finish, automatically will come out. Like then you can keep it there. Don't discard.
And
Okay. Every
every
day. This one I think already finished. So now maintenance finished, but we don't know. That machine maintenance finished, showing standby. This machine not showing standby.
Yeah.
Should we go to inside? We can go to maintenance. In process. See, first machine, daily maintenance, complete.
Yeah.
Already complete. But there is maintenance showing. So you can should be check inside. Okay? Complete. So first continue. procedure complete. Done. It's now finished. We can go to home. See, ideal modes. Now ideal. So, should we check this one also same like?
See.
Should we check here? It's now running. After 20 minutes, you can press then continue. Okay, after that only machine will come standby mode. Otherwise, you didn't make this procedure. System document will come standby. Every day, you can do it electrolytes calibration. Same like. Our Technopath machine every day we are doing electrolytes calibration. This machine also every day you can do it electrolytes calibration. You know, electrolytes calibration we are using yellow. Only yellow electrolytes. Okay, only yellow. Okay. This machine for one keep it inside 7 days. Machine already storage 7 days. Don't come outside. 7 days automatically machine take calibrate. No need make every day. You understand? That machine every day we are making, but one time you can load 7 days. For example, today you loaded this one, this calibrator. Then 7 days keep it inside. Every calibration out that time every day morning machine automatically take calibrate. Already inside. You want make manually one more calibrate because control out, so you can make calibrate one more. Create order, calibration. Don't press rank and position. Already inside rank. Okay. Then you can test select only, test only which one you want calibrate, sodium, potassium, chloride. Okay. Then don't press hard order. Assay option. Assay option. See, just done only. Done only. Again machine take. You understand? Okay. One time you can all now see already finished. Electrolyte 12:29 p.m. already done. Okay. Okay. Already done. Maybe next will come out automatically machine take calibrate. Okay. Now leave it. So don't bother this one. Okay. Another all parameters active. Active means calibration done. Okay. Anyone expert you can do it calibrate. Now creatine now calibration out. This one we are doing manually only. Okay. Now do it creatine calibration. Okay. Go to create order. Calibrator. Wait. We are manually programmed. This manually program we can use gray run. Okay. So now you program manually for which one creatine. Okay. First you can select rank. Select the rank. Yeah. Then scan. Yes. Position number. Number 1. Okay. Close. Number 1. Okay. Which one? Creatine. Already press. Add order. Yeah. Add order. Finish. Order status. Calibration. Now see pending. So should be loaded. Calibration is 9 cc. So you can load here cc. This one water. All. One time you calibrate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tests. 6 time machine taken. 6 tests lost. Okay. So careful calibration. Don't make calibrate every day because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tests waste. Okay. Okay. So now this one water. Yeah, all position one. You can load only one position. You can take it 6 times. Okay. This one water. Because this machine no need water add. Automatically machine take.
But inside is no need. Saline is there.
Then run. Yeah. Now after 2 minutes, 3 minutes, here is processing or running. You can load. Now you can take it consi. Calibrate. Uric acid. This all parameters consi. Okay. Okay. For example, we have barcode. You loaded barcode. This rack not accepting. Okay. This white rack only barcode accepting. For example, you want make all calibrate, no need program. If you want make all parameter, you want make calibrate, no need program. You can take it white rack. Goes, you know, then push on. No need program. Already generated this barcode on this machine. Okay. All automatically take parametric calculate. Okay. So now we want only creatine. That's why you should be program manually. For example, you want make creatine. You loaded this rack machine all
calculation.
all parameters they can
That's
calculate.
why it's for all.
So careful. Okay. Don't use this barcode. Program this one. Okay. Already you did program. Already you did program. Which level? Only one level. Only one level. Which position number 1? You can keep it. Just remove barcode and keep it here. Check the any air bubble. No air bubble.
Yeah, not barcode.
No any barcode because you manually program.
Yeah.
No, backside to that.
Anywhere. Okay. Anywhere you can run. After finish, you can run control. Okay. Now, this one finish or not? We don't
Check
know.
now.
Yeah, check. You
Yeah,
can
check
check.
now.
Yeah. How? Maintenance. There is some maintenance. Yeah. In process. In process. See, still running. It's not finished. Okay.